So guys, let's eat breakfast and drink coffee. Only cheese whiz with bread, my breakfast. I'm lazy to get up early, but I already awake 7 o'clock, but I wake up only now. It's 9, I think it's already 9 o'clock. I just want to lie down in the bed. Happy weekend, guys. Enjoy your weekend. I don't know my schedule, not yet done. I don't know if we have CG meeting later. Our leader not yet reply my message. Later I am going to, I pass by to Noah. Because they invited me yesterday for the birthday celebration of Lola Mimi and Noah. I'm lazy to go out last night. That's why I told them today, I'll go there today. It's good, it's not too hot outside. It's a little cloudy. Bye guys. Enjoy your weekend.